Welcome back to our channel, where we're dedicated to providing you with practical tips and solutions for a safer home. In today's video, we'll explore 3 effective ways a professional locksmith can enhance the security of your home, ensuring peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Installing keyless access systems. The first way a locksmith can significantly improve your home security is by installing keyless access systems. Say goodbye to traditional keys and embrace the convenience and advanced security of keyless entry. With these systems, you can utilize unique codes, key cards, or even biometric recognition to unlock your doors. Installing security camera systems. The second way a locksmith can bolster your home security is by installing cutting-edge security camera systems. These systems act as a watchful eye, capturing every angle of your property, both indoors and outdoors, deterring potential intruders and providing valuable evidence in case of any incidents. Installing burglar alarm systems. Last but not least, the third way a locksmith can fortify your home security is through the installation of burglar alarm systems. These systems act as a formidable deterrent, protecting your home and alerting you and local authorities in the event of a break-in or unauthorized entry attempt. In conclusion, a professional locksmith can greatly enhance your home security in 3 fundamental ways: by installing keyless access systems, security camera systems, and burglar alarm systems. These advanced measures offer convenience, surveillance, and an extra layer of protection, ensuring that your home remains a safe haven for you and your loved ones. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on home security. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with others who may benefit from these valuable tips.